Hello everyone and welcome to another CheMEMEistry video. Today we're going to be looking at isomerism. What is it? I don't know. That's what we're going to find out.
I don't know what I'm doing.
What is isomerism? Well, it's when two molecules have the same molecular formula but a different structural formula. What does that mean? That is a great question. Well, for example, take this, alright? It can be laid out in all of these ways. Yeah. So isomerism is just the difference between these, and there's lots of different types, alright? Two categories.
The category is
Structural isomerism. Inside structural isomerism, there are three further types. We got number one.
why you have to be mad?
Positional isomerism. This is just when a molecule like propanol has the functional group move along. That's all it is. It's in a different position, you know? Positional isomerism, position.
Wow.
Okay, and you just change the numbers to show the different isomers. So this is propan 1-ol, this is propan 2-ol, pretty much the same thing, but they have a different position.
The flavor.
Amazing. Beautiful. Set 2 is chain isomerism. This is slightly different. Imagine you have a long chain alkane, for example butane, alright? You can actually take a little bit off the end, put it on the top, and then we actually have a different molecule. They have the same atoms but a different arrangement, and this is chain isomerism when it happens with the carbons and hydrogens. And they're methyl groups, and you just add it to the front of the word. So methyl propane. Easy. Done.
Wow.
Guys, why are we so good at this? See, this is a team effort.
Ciao.
Set 3. What is set 3? This is functional group isomerism. It's when you have functional groups, but they change, okay, depending on the isomers. So, we have this alcohol, alright? This alcohol, what is the functional group? It's that alcohol, the O, remember? And But, what about this? Well, they both have the same molecular formula, so how do we tell them apart? Because this one has a different functional group. Well, that's the functional group isomerism. The functional groups are different. So we have positional, where it changes position. We have chain, where the chain is different. And we have functional group, where it changes functional group. They all kind of make sense, right?
The category is
Stereoisomerism. It only happens in alkenes. Well, why does it only happen in alkenes?
why you have to be mad?
Great question. That's because of the double bond. The double bond can't rotate around it, alright? It's very fixed. It won't change its opinions for anyone. So actually, there's another layer here, you know, very much like Shrek. It's got layers.
Layers. Ogres have layers. Onions have layers.
Okay, so how do we label them? Well, there's two things. There's E and there's Z. Okay, well, what are they? They're German. I'm not going to tell you what they mean. Doesn't matter.
Don't be fucking rude.
Now, Z means they're on the same side. Now, how would you remember that? I know. Zim Z. You just got to become Linguini from Ratatouille and just go Zim Z. Whereas E is, well, it's different side. You know, what about this molecule? You know? The problem with this is they're all different. So nothing's on the same side. How do I know if it's a Z or an E? Because if I flip them around, they'll be different. Well, we have to look at the atomic number. So how do we assess this? Well, we split the molecule in half, down the double bond. We'll look at each side individually. This side, which one has the highest atomic number? Oh, it's that one. That's the important one. Do the same thing on the other side. Which one has the highest atomic number? If they're the same, keep moving back until there's a difference. Great. Now, those are the ones we consider. So if they're on opposite sides, it's E, same side it's Z. That has been our isomerism crash course. As always, there's a link below to a revision page that you can print off. Please like, share and subscribe. This has been CheMEMEistry. Thank you very much.